Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to enhance your online privacy while using the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Many users want to prevent websites from tracking their activity. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap on the Vivaldi icon at the top right. From this menu, scroll down and select the Settings option to access browser preferences. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Privacy and Security. Then tap on it. Now, look for Send a Do Not Track request and tap on it. Finally, turn on the toggle to activate the Do Not Track feature. Once enabled, your browser will send a request to websites asking them not to track your activity. While this does not guarantee complete anonymity, it is an important step to enhance your privacy online. If you found this guide helpful, remember to subscribe to the channel.